Hello everyone, so today we're going to be doing a different video than I normally do. It is going to be focused on the skin, and we are going to be featuring the Cover FX Pressed Mineral Foundation. So this is a pressed powder foundation and it does include its little pad inside as well. And I am going to show you how I use that. I do find that pressed foundations like this do tend to be a little sheer. They don't give you that max full coverage no matter how much you layer it. So I will show you how to get that full coverage with a powder foundation like this. So let's get on with the video. So I am going to start off by covering my blemishes with the Cover FX Power Play Concealer. This one is in the shade G Plus Medium 2, and I'm just going to spot conceal my blemishes and all of those dark spots that may be showing through the foundation. And this actually is my highlighting shade of concealer, but I don't want to bring out another concealer. This way you just have to purchase one product to do all the work for you. And you can blend this out with the finger, but I am going to use a damp beauty blender to blend this out. And I am going to set the concealer with the Cover FX Matte Setting Powder in the shade Light. And I am taking that on one of the Sephora Mini Velour Puffs. These do come in a pack of 3. I'm not sure if they're available anymore, but I'm pretty sure they do have other puffs on the Sephora website. Now we can start going in with the foundation. You can use the included little sponge thing, but I personally do not like using that unless you want to do dab on, you know, for extra coverage afterwards. I am going to be using the Marc Jacobs The Face 2 brush with this powder, and normally I just swirl it in, tap off that excess, and I literally just like dab it on. And as you can see, everything is covered. The reason why we set our concealer is because this is a powder and we did not want the powder to cling onto all of that concealer. As you could see, hopefully it's picking up on camera, but everything looks smooth. Nothing looks bunched up or patchy. And here is the face. As you could see, everything is pretty much covered up. Now I am going to go back into my concealer just to highlight, you know, the under eyes, middle of my forehead, nose, and my chin area. I am going to blend that out again with my beauty blender and then set that again with my puff and my setting powder. Now that all of that is done and set, we could go on with decorating the face. So I will be going in with the Cover FX Monochromatic Bronzer Duo. This one is in Suntan Bronze. I'm going to start off with the Sigma F40 brush with the more shimmery shade. And I just like this shade to add some dimension and glow. I pretty much only use it on my forehead. Now with the Sigma F05, I'm going to take the matte shade and contour my cheeks with that. And I am going to add some on my nose. And whatever is left on the bottom of my chin. For blush, I'm also taking the Cover FX Monochromatic Blush Duo. This one is in the Mojave Mauve. So I'm taking this on my Sigma F10 brush. I am going to take the matte shade first. And with the shimmery shade to add, you know, that beautiful glow. And I do actually like adding some to my nose as well. So it looks cute, like a little button. And for a highlight, we are going in with, again, another Cover FX product. This is the Spotlight Loose Powder Highlighter. And I'm going in with the shade Celestial, which is a more, I guess, champagne goldy shade. And I just opened that up. I'm going to like tilt it out a little bit. Let whatever get on my brush get on my brush. Tap off the excess of this and highlight my cheeks. So that is giving me a subtle glow. I don't know if you guys could see it, but I can see it in person. Okay, now that side came out a little more than I wanted it to. And on the nose. And to finish off the face, because you know I can't just leave the face bare like this, I am going to fill in my eyebrows with the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I use the shade Ebony. And I'm going to add my mascara, Nars Climax mascara, to my top and bottom lashes. Now that we are done with that, I'm just going to set my face with the Cover FX Mattifying Setting Spray. And here is the finished face. As you could see, we have pretty good coverage with that powder foundation. Our skin looks beautiful and smooth and flawless. You know, you can do like whatever eye look you want with this base. Any, you know, lip color, that's not gonna matter. I did not mention this, but I did prime my face with the FX Mattifying Primer with the anti-acne treatment as well before this video. And if you guys like this, if you guys use this, any of these products, any of these tips, you know, with your own powder foundation, let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed the video and would like to see more of me, please tune in next week. I post every Monday at 6:30 p.m. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.